Create beautiful web stories with images and video. Add call to actions on your stories. That will help you a lot to build your email list and grow your audience. You will never make boring content anymore. You will be able to create outstanding stories that engage, captivate, and attract your audience. Meet Story Pro, the most powerful way to tell stories on the web. Treat your story-loving users to interactive stories full of images and video, all with the same easy-to-use interface and unlimited hosting. Try it today.
Product name, Story Pro information. Product description. 1. Story Pro is easy to use. To create a story, you simply click Create a Story and start uploading images and videos to your story. We're giving you unlimited storage so you can upload as many images and videos of any size as much as you want. 2. Story Pro works on any device, whether your audience is on mobile or desktop, and they never get distracted when watching your stories, which almost guarantees that we'll always click on your call to action, which means you'll get more traffic, leads and sales. 3. Story Pro is built for all types of online entrepreneurs. Whether you're an affiliate, product creator, small business owner, or a big business owner, Story Pro is for you and your business. 4. Purchase with confidence. Knowing that you're getting unlimited access to Story Pro, Lunasage, alternate inbox, unlimited hosting, and no monthly fees. Thank you.